Good afternoon and welcome to our OEW assembly. Today our assembly is going to be about ancient Egyptian.
Long, long ago in Egypt there lived a king. In ancient Egypt, kings were called pharaohs. This pharaoh was named Ramses. Ramses lived in a grand palace with his slaves. What excellent music! It makes me want to dance. Now go and come back when you have a good harvest.
Great Pharaoh, whose right to show you their work?
We have created hieroglyphics to write words. This symbol of an eagle means egg.
The emblem is shown by another bird. I have worked hard to make this egg. This is shown by a sail.
This is complete to the great pharaoh Ramses.
Those right please me, send an extra on my burners.
Great Pharaoh, you and Bobbers are ready to commemorate the great when you die.
Very well. We will dry out his body in salt and sand to keep it for the afterlife. First, we put his brain through his nose. And gather his blood through his kidneys. Another organ. Put them in East Africa. We will wrap his body in soils and band-aids to preserve it.
The God Anubis will weigh the heart to see if the person is worthy of going into the afterlife.
If the heart weighs more than the vessel, it will be eaten by the monster of death. Take the body and place it in the outer rooms of my pyramid. I am bored. Entertain me.
We have prepared the famous story of Nuts story for you to hear.
A long time ago, the chief of Potiphar they thought of as a pharaoh. One day a slave came to him and told him that God had Potiphar said that one day her son would be Pharaoh of Egypt. Pharaoh was very angry and shocked him. How dare they come here with me? I'll put a cross upon them. No, I'll put a sword and kill them. Ha ha ha. keep playing.
I bet you now I'll find another win the next game. Said consumer Tilas again and again until Tom had won 5 whole days of sunlight.
Class fitted into these 5 extra days into a year, which only had 360 days at the time. This meant these days were not part for his class, and so not had 5 children on one of these extra days.
Good.
When there was hope or sleep, he became Pharaoh after he had died.
A good story when I'm hungry. Slaves, taking my banquet. But how do we know all this happened? Because of explorers like this man, how